Hello everyone and welcome to today's conversation. Today we are going to dive into the concept of second act. I am sure you might have been hearing about it in the last few episodes, but today we want to clarify what it is. Forget about career changes or professional shifts, or it is nothing to do with all those things which you might be thinking that a second act is all about. Today we will explore what actually second act means and how it can help you to transform your life. You might be wondering what exactly it is. Well, my friends, it is not about switching jobs or starting a new business venture. The second act is all about you, the real, authentic, incredible you that's been hiding behind the societal expectations and norms. It's about unleashing your full potential and expressing yourself in ways you never thought possible. Think of it like this. Your first act was the dress rehearsal where you tried different roles, different identities, but now it's time for you to do the main performance. That's what I call as your second act, where you step into the spotlight of being yourself. Let's rewind for a moment and talk about our first act. For many of us, this early part of our lives was all about fitting in. We followed the rules, met expectations, and maybe even became carbon copies of those around us. Sound familiar? We pick up habits from friends, adopted beliefs from families, and shaped our lives according to what society deemed successful. But in the process of conforming, we often lost sight of our unique spark. That special something that makes us, well, who we are. The result? A life that might look good on paper but feels empty inside. A nagging feeling that something's missing, even when you have checked all the boxes we thought we were supposed to check. But here is where it gets exciting. Your second act is your opportunity to break free from all of that. It's about shedding the layers of expectations and rediscovering your authentic self. This journey isn't always easy. It involves facing those habits and thought patterns that no longer serve you. It means questioning your beliefs you have held for years and being brave enough to let go of what's holding you back. But oh, the rewards? Imagine waking up every day feeling aligned with your purpose. Picture yourself expressing your unique gifts without fear of hesitation. That's the power of second act. Remember, this isn't about your career or profession. Those are just tools in your journey. The real focus is on transforming your life from the inside out. It's about finding fulfillment, purpose, and deep sense of meaning that radiates through everything you do. How do we embrace this second act? Here are some practical steps to get you started. Number one, self-reflection. Take time to really get into to know yourself. What lights you up, what drains you, what values are non-negotiable for you. Number two, challenge assumptions. Question the beliefs and habits you have accumulated. Do they truly align with who you are? Number three, explore and experiment, try new things. This is your chance to discover the hidden passions and talents within you. Number four, embrace authenticity. Practice being unapologetically you. Start small in whatever you do, but keep pushing your comfort zone. Number five, surround yourself with people who support you. They will encourage and help you to grow, yet being authentic. As we wrap up, I want you to remember this. Your second act is your opportunity to live life on your own terms. It's about creating a life filled with joy, meaning, and purpose. So, my friends, are you ready to step into your second act? Are you ready to embrace the real, authentic you? The world is waiting for your unique light to shine. I have shared this before, but just in case if you have missed, there is a very powerful workbook created for working on your second act. Do see this video and do get the workbook for yourself. Do you have any passion or dreams tugging at your soul? Is it time for your second act? I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences wrestling with this eternal human dilemma. I can help you with the Dream Framework to start working on your second act. Do check the description for free workbook on the Dream Framework. It has all the details you need to create your purpose and launch your second act. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you are still not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And most importantly, put in the comments, have you started working on your second act? With that we complete. Keep rocking.